Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Yeah, we currently see probably the gaming coins take some upside momentum, and gain some upside momentum. They gain some upside momentum. That so far is perfectly in line with the projected wave count. The price did hold the last support level here at 3.18 cents. The communication was that as long as we're above that level, that the structure doesn't need to change at all, and the expectations are for the price to reach 5.8 cents, possibly 6.2 cents next. We've been talking about this 6.2 cent level for months actually. Even before the end of the year, we've been talking about that 6.2 cent level, that it should really be reached in an ABC structure. We're finally getting there. So it's absolutely perfectly following the wave structure, even though we are moving in corrective structures. So corrective structures sometimes can be weak. They can morph, they can transform. I think we had a few adjustments on the micro level, but our main support level is never broke. And now it's actually playing out here, the expectation. Bear in mind that I see this as a corrective structure, as a larger ABC pattern, and therefore further upside. I mean, nothing is ever guaranteed in markets, but the quality of a chart that's just moving up in a correction, it's just low, okay? It's just not clearly bullish. So I'm still, though, tracking short-term bullish upside potential because, we're in a bullish market and the patterns allowed for that interpretation. I mean, bear in mind that here back in October, we have a long downtrend and the structure actually completed. And for those who have been with us or were with us back then, you know that we turned around exactly in the target area. Yeah, there was a target area that we defined and the price turned around exactly in that target area, and then is now rallying to resistance. So it's following the Elliott waves nicely, even though we are moving in corrective structures. I always have to say that because moving in corrective structures, it's a big mess, and you cannot expect the precision, and you have to expect micro counts to change, but the general direction, everything is set. So what I take out is now this micro support. We don't need that anymore. And I also try to keep it simple on this chart. So the idea is that we're moving up probably here in a 5-wave pattern to the upside. Now, other interpretations are possible. But there is no need to change anything. At the moment, I'd like to see in this C wave, so we have here the target area for the C wave that was also well known. So to calculate it, we take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and then we calculate the length of the C wave. And the 100% extension is the first ideal target, and then further extensions listed here. C waves can easily extend to the 1.236 or 1.38 extensions. Above that, they will not get invalidated, but they become less likely. Well, what does that mean? That means I might have to think about a change in wave structure. Maybe something different is going on. Therefore, what I will give you as we go higher, I will give you the relevant micro support levels that need to hold to keep going in the current scenario, okay? So at least this gives you some levels to watch and the expectation of further rising prices to at least 5.8 cents, but possibly higher. And it looks as if it wants to push a little higher than that, but that can change quickly in the crypto market. Most recently, when we zoom in, we have a 3-wave move down, and then obviously wave 5 could be unfolding now, wave 5 of C. The problem is, I said it before, there isn't really a reliable microstructure. So what I cannot do is to offer you really a reliable nano count, so anything smaller than what we already have, because this is a big mess. I mean, best I could offer is that we say, okay, maybe this is a 1, maybe this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And it basically is currently moving in wave 5. And within wave 5, it's wave 3 of 5. Based on that, this is the next key level. Okay, so it's always worth to know the next key level, and the 4.04 cent level needs to hold. If we see a break below 4.04 cents, it would be an indication that a larger top has been made. Okay, it would have to be confirmed then with a break below that larger wave 4 low here at 3.4 cents, but that would already be a good indication that a top has formed, probably in yellow wave A, and then I can give you a target or a pullback zone for wave B support area. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.